that is the address ID, city, state, country. Okay, then the customer ID, first name and last name. See, on a.address ID, it should not be a hyphen sign. Okay, it should be equal to instead. Okay, a.address ID, it should be equal to c.address ID, and now execute it. So again throwing an error. Let me customer ID, first name, a dot address ID. Okay, there should not be space in between. Okay, so it's working fine now, Sarda. The problem was you have given a space after a dot. You are writing it in this way. Okay, a dot space address ID. There should not be any space. Okay. Santosh, you're also not able to execute the query. Santosh, can you paste your query over here? Prasanna, which columns to be added? See, it would be asked in the question only. Okay, for now, like we are actually just doing that how to write a query perfectly. Okay, but as I told you that your team lead would be giving you that what all tables he wants to be extracted out. Okay, and then depending upon that you need to write down the table over here, and then you need to decide for the join also. But for now we are not concentrating on that. We are actually concentrating on how to write down a query perfectly. Okay. Oh, Sarda, you only got the things previously. Okay, I saw your messages now. Santosh, you are getting an error. Okay, let me copy paste your query. Okay, so you have joined the address and the orders table. Okay, let me see what is the common point between the two. I know you must have seen it, but for me also let me do it. Okay. Oh, there was the address table present. My bad. Okay, and then the orders table. Okay, so there are actually two columns which are present. Okay, address ID over here in this column, it is present in two columns over here. That is the shipping address ID and the billing address ID. Okay. Listen, I'll get back to your questions, okay? Let me first rectify the error in this query. Okay, so what all things are you extracting out? The address ID, then the address, city, country. Okay, you have selected a lot many things. Okay, so that is address ID, address, city, country, region ID. Region ID is also present in the, okay. Now over here from this you are selecting the billing address, okay. Then estimated ship date, actual ship date and the amount billed. Okay, so A dot address ID. Let me try to execute and see what's the error. This should not be the case, but let us try extracting out the shipping address also, but I don't think that would make any difference because it's just the name of the column. Then also let us just try it once because otherwise the query looks fine to me. So that is O dot shipping address ID. Okay, so this address ID is actually connected to both of them. So we can try by putting it like for both of the tables. Where is it? Okay. Santosh, try doing it as a dot address ID. Okay, that should be equal to o dot shipping address ID and also to the billing address ID. Okay. That should be something like o dot billing address ID also. Then also it's not working, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
The billing address, actually the variable it is billing address underscore ID, then it's working.
Sorry?
When we selected the billing address from the second table, it should be billing address underscore ID.
Oh, correct.
Yeah,
Good catch, Malati.
yeah.
Correct.
Also, there is no region in address table. So a dot. Oh no, sorry.
No, address table, we are not concerned about the address table, okay? Okay, so I actually deleted one part from here. Okay, so it was, so you are doing on a dot address. Okay. Okay, Santosh, what Malati is saying is, over here, see it is billing underscore address underscore ID. See, billing underscore address underscore ID, and that too in the caps. Okay. So that would be billing underscore address underscore ID. Okay, now it should work. Yeah. Thank you, Malati. Okay, Santosh, so have you tried now? Okay, done it. Yes, anyone else has any problem in this, in this query or in any other query? Is it working fine for you all? Okay then. Okay. Kavita, you tried putting the left and the right outer join, but you are not able to. Okay, okay, you are able to execute it. Okay, but not understanding what it is showing exactly. See, because we don't know about much of the columns over here, much from the tables over here. Okay, so this is the reason you are not able to understand that what all data is feeded. Okay, but for now we are not concerned about what it is showing in the results. Okay, for now we are only concerned about how to write down a query effectively and in a correct manner. So what all things needed to be extracted out and what type of join needs to be applied. So that will depend upon the query that you are getting. Okay. So this is the reason I told you that how you have to use the right outer join or when to use left outer join. Okay. So we have discussed about that in the customer and the region table. Correct. Okay then. This is all from the SQL point of view. Okay, now we have to move ahead to the other things. Okay, so the next topic for today would be we would be discussing about the quality center tool. Okay, and I would give you the tool tomorrow so that you can work upon it. But for today, we would be discussing that what this tool is and what are the features and what all are the things that needs to be done in this quality center. Okay, so the version of quality center that we would be using over here will be the 9.0 version. Okay. Oh, Prasanna, sorry, I missed your questions. Let me get back to that. Okay, where are they? Okay, so there are three options for on clause. One is address ID equal to address ID. One, the address ID is equal to contact ID. Prasanna, in like when we were trying to join the address and the contact table, for that you are asking. No, there was only one common column between the two, that is the address ID only. Then in the on condition or in the on clause, we have to write a dot address ID is equal to c dot c dot address ID, right? Because that is the only common column between the two.